Welcome to another video from Digital Dovetail. This video is going to be on Project 1 from the Arduino Study Kit. Open up the Arduino software. We're just going to do a quick check to make sure we're on the right board. Arduino Uno. Always pays to do a save as. This is going to be Project 1 of the Arduino Study Kit. And then you can start entering the code. Two forward slashes indicate a comment is to follow. Comments are ignored by the compiler but are essential as they help you to understand the code and how it works, and also when you go back and look at it to see what's happening. This process can be really time consuming, and it's also quite easy to make mistakes. So just take your time. So to save time, you can copy and paste, and then you can just make slight adjustments to make the code correct, including the comments. So that is finished. Verify just to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. Save it. And I'm just going to open it up again, make some changes to show you how easy it is to make mistakes, and then when you verify it, it indicates that there is a mistake. So down the bottom there it's telling you that there is a problem, and then you have to fix it. Doesn't have to be much, you just have to leave something out. And sometimes it doesn't matter if you do have a slight mistake. You see there that the space didn't matter, but the comma does. So I put the comma in, verify it, now it's working. So you have to be very particular how you enter the code. The exact position of the curly brackets doesn't make a difference either, as long as you have the curly brackets before and after the code in the correct positions, but where they are on a particular line, as you can see, isn't critical. Now we're going to start hooking up your breadboard. Sometimes it's really difficult to put in LEDs, particularly the resistors, so you can use a jumper wire to open up the hole in the breadboard a little bit. Once the breadboards are worn, it's not going to be so necessary, but when you're first starting out with a new breadboard, it is really hard to put in the resistors, and they quite often bend. So if you open it up with a jumper wire, it seems to make it a lot easier. Now when you hook up the jumper wires onto the Arduino Uno, make sure that the USB cable is disconnected so there's no power going into the Arduino. Right, plug it in carefully. There's a light flashing on the Arduino, but I haven't entered the code, so this is the first time checking the board again. Yeah, that's fine, and it's in the right port, COM3. And I'm going to upload it. Now, the first time you do this, you might have this same problem where it actually doesn't work. Although everything is set up right, it's on the Arduino Uno and it was on COM3. So just go back into the port and click on COM3 again. Please note it may not necessarily be COM3, you may have something like COM4 for example. Upload, this time it's worked fine. That should only happen the first time, but it possibly could happen other times. That flashing was indicated, and the Arduino is indicating the code is going through, and you can see that this is working. First project is flashing. Thanks for watching another video by Digital Dovetail. Like and subscribe.